One of the other very cool, that's a scientific word, isn't it?
Yeah.
One of the other amazing things that you all as donors to the Breast Cancer Foundation have been able to put together with us is something called the Translational Breast Cancer Research Consortium. So I told you when I talked first about the fact that many clinical trials have to be done at the very largest scale. You've got to have hundreds of patients, hundreds of investigators all across the country. But sometimes when you have new insights in a laboratory, the first trials that need to be done are smaller scale ones. And they are ones that need to be done probably in centers that are very focused on this, and done in a way where we pay attention to getting all the biological specimens that we need to try to address the question. So blood samples, tissue specimens, special imaging, all of these things that you heard about. So to try to facilitate that kind of research, we actually have a group of 14 centers across the country, funded by you, who came together because we are like-minded individuals who are interested in trying to do these small, specimen-intense, biology-rich, what we call hypothesis-generated trials to look at these new targeted therapies. Now, this is another example where there is no kind of official funding group that we can go to in the world who's going to say, sure, you go ahead and start this new program and let us know how it's going to come out. Thanks to the BCRF, we did that. We came together with this idea. The BCRF has given us continuous funding during this time. And we actually have been able, thanks to your support over a 2.5-year period, to accomplish our first trial, which was in the setting of triple-negative breast cancer, and was actually overseen by our colleague Lisa Carey, one of the BCRF recipients, I think in the past, who has been able to look at chemotherapy and growth factor targeted therapies for these triple-negative breast cancers. The first results of that trial will be presented at our huge breast cancer symposium at the end of the year. So I think you should know that in a period of 3 years, thanks to your funding, we went from a concept for a trial group to bringing the group together to doing the first trial and being able to get out and talk about the results and now think about how to move forward with those results, what it teaches us about what to do in the future. That is really big. So thanks.